We're sitting in the sunroom that we added on in 2011. This room was part of the second annual NARI tour in October of 2011. This room didn't exist, so all this was added on, and this level has a pool and a hot tub and a sink and eating space and just general hangout and enjoy being outside without being outside with all the windows and with the trees and stuff that we were able to leave. So it's kind of like a little tree house. And then on the second level underneath us, we added a bathroom. At the time, our son and his wife were living in the basement, and so there was no bathroom down on that floor, so we took the opportunity to add a bathroom down there and a gardening room for my wife and a little area where we have some exercise equipment. So that's what was done in 2011.